Please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for more updates. Support an educational channel. In this tutorial, we're gonna discuss about common diseases in human under the chapter Human Health and Diseases. What is health? Health is a state of complete physical, mental and social well-being which can be maintained by balanced diet and regular exercise. Then what is a disease? Disease is a particular abnormal condition that negatively affects the structure or function of an organism. Diseases are broadly classified into two groups. They are infectious and non-infectious diseases. Infectious or communicable diseases are broadly categorized into 5 types. They are bacterial, viral, protozoan, fungal and helminthic diseases. Let us study one by one. Bacterial diseases. Diseases which are caused by bacteria are called bacterial diseases. Example: typhoid, pneumonia, STDs like syphilis, gonorrhea and many more. Typhoid. Typhoid is caused by a rod-like motile bacterium called Salmonella typhi. This bacterium lives in the intestine and causes intestinal perforation. Salmonella typhi is spread through contaminated water and food. The person suffering from the typhoid shows many symptoms, include high fever reaches up to about 39 to 40 degrees Celsius, weakness, which leads to permanent physical or mental disabilities if they survive. The infection causes stomach pain in the later phase. The infected person may lose stools, leads to severe problems called diarrhea and constipation. Headache and loss of appetite are the common symptoms of this disease. Typhoid can be prevented by proper sanitization and personal hygiene, by washing fruits and vegetables twice or thrice, by avoiding contaminated food and keep the food away from the fleas, by drinking filtered and boiled water. Pneumonia is a serious disease of lungs and it is an airborne disease. This disease is usually caused by a bacterium called Streptococcus pneumoniae. Infection of pneumonia spreads by aerosol or sputum of the patient. This bacterium infects the alveoli of the lungs. As a result, the alveoli get filled with fluid, leading to severe problem in respiration, and you may call it as respiratory disorder. The person suffering from pneumonia shows many symptoms include fever and chill. Fever reaches up to about 40 degrees Celsius. Cough with sputum. Shortness on breath and rapid breathing. Headache, including physical weakness. Viral diseases. Diseases which are caused by viruses are called viral diseases. Examples: common cold, COVID-19, dengue, chikungunya, polio, including AIDS, and many more. Common cold. Common cold is a most infectious human ailment caused by a group of viruses called rhinoviruses. Rhinoviruses infect the nose and respiratory passage, but not the lungs. Common cold is a very infectious disease and transmitted by touching contaminated objects like contaminated pen, books, mugs, doorknobs, computer mouse and keyboards. Symptoms of common cold usually last about 3 to 7 days. That include nasal congestion and discharge, commonly called running nose, sore throat and hoarseness, not able to speak, cough and sneezing. That means spreading to others by aerosols. Headache and tiredness. Infection of common cold can be prevented by washing hands frequently, by avoid touching your face, cover your mouth while sneezing and coughing, be completely isolated from the infected person. Chikungunya and dengue. Both chikungunya and dengue are mosquito-borne diseases. Dengue is caused by dengue virus and the disease chikungunya is caused by alpha virus. Both diseases are spread by tiger mosquito called Aedes aegypti. Symptoms of chikungunya include rashes on trunk regions, occasionally on limbs, severe pain in the multiple joints called arthritis or arthralgia, conjunctivitis, that means redness in eye. Symptoms of dengue include sudden onset beginning with headache, fever and exhaustion, redness on palm and sole, mainly joint pain and conjunctivitis. Both these diseases can be prevented by avoiding mosquitoes. Mosquitoes can be avoided by using repellents, mosquito curtains, community sanitization, that means by removing stagnant water. Diseases which are caused by protozoans are called Protozoan Diseases. Examples: malaria, diarrhea, amoebiasis and trypanosomiasis. Malaria is a very serious disease of tropical and temperate regions. Malaria is caused by the toxins produced in the human body by the malarial parasite called Plasmodium. Plasmodium vivax, Plasmodium falciparum, Plasmodium malariae are different species of Plasmodium. The malarial parasites are carried by female Anopheles mosquitoes. The parasite Plasmodium prefers two hosts to complete their life cycle, that is human and mosquito. When an infected mosquito bites a healthy person, parasites migrate into his blood with the saliva, which mosquito injects before sucking up blood to prevent clotting. Symptoms of malaria include recurring fever and chills, vomiting, headache, and nausea. Amoebiasis, commonly called amoebic dysentery. This disease is caused by Entamoeba histolytica. These are endoparasites, live in the large intestine and lower part of the small intestine of human. Houseflies act as mechanical carrier and serve to transmit the parasite from feces of infected person to food and food products, thereby contaminating them. Main symptoms of amoebiasis include constipation and abdominal pain, loose stools with excess of mucus and blood clots, pain and cramps in the stomach and intestine. Diseases which are caused by worms are called Helminthic diseases. Examples: Ascariasis, Filariasis, Onchocerciasis, Tinea sanguinata. Ascariasis is caused by an intestinal parasite called Ascaris limbricoides. Symptoms of ascariasis include internal bleeding, muscular pain, fever, anemia, and blockage of the intestinal passage. A female ascaris produces more than 200,000 eggs each day. These eggs are excreted along with the feces of infected person, which contaminate soil, water, and plants. When a healthy person acquires this infection through contaminated water, vegetables, fruits. Filariasis is caused by filarial worms called Ocheraria bancrofti and Ocheraria malayi. These are the monsters inside our body. They live many years in our body organs. These filarial worms cause a very serious disease called filariasis or elephantiasis. These endoparasites specifically prefer lymphatic vessels of the lower limbs and cause enormous inflammation. Then the legs appear like legs of elephant, hence the name is elephantiasis. Symptoms of filariasis include deformation of genital organs. The pathogens are transmitted through the female Culex mosquito. Fungal diseases. It is also called fungi infection. Examples for fungal diseases are ringworm, athleate foot, aspergillosis, candidiasis. Ringworms caused by many fungi belongs to genera Microsporum, Trichophyton and Epidermophyton. Ringworms is the most common infectious disease in human, which is characterized by dry scaly lesions on skin, nails and scalp. Most of the fungal diseases can be prevented by maintaining personal hygiene.